Hi everyone. Remember I told you Earth Day is this week. It's tomorrow, Wednesday, the 22nd of April. I have a book that is about our Earth today, but it's ways that we can save energy to take care of our planet. The title is Our Earth, Saving Energy. It's by Peggy. You might see a clue on the cover of the book to one way that you can save energy. I want you to try and think of some ways right now that you could save energy. What are some things you could do at home to help save energy? We'll see if any of those are in the book, which is published by Scholastic. Our Earth, Saving Energy. This is a nonfiction book. You can see it starts with a table of contents, and it has it divided up into the different parts of the book. We're going to start by looking at the word hunt. Here are some words we're going to look for as I read the book. You might have heard of some of them before and already know what they mean. Others will be new to you. We're going to look for these bold words: air pollution, gasoline, oil, coal, electrical outlet, power plant, recycle. Using energy. Look around. Can you see where energy is being used? Energy is used to heat buildings and run cars. Energy is also used by everything that plugs into an electrical outlet. Here you can see an electrical outlet. How many different ways do you use energy each day? Think about all those things that are plugged into an electrical outlet. I have already today used my coffee maker to make coffee. I got creamer out of my refrigerator that's plugged in. That uses energy. My phone is using energy. I'm using my computer right now also, and the light above me. All of those are using energy. Every time you use something today that's plugged into an outlet, you will be using energy. People use oil and coal to get much of the energy they need. Oil is used to make gasoline for cars. Coal and natural gas are burned in power plants. Gasoline, oil. Many power plants burn coal to make electricity. Here's a picture of a power plant, and this is coal that they're burning inside of it. Coal comes from inside the earth. Burning oil and other things creates air pollution. That is one reason to use less energy. Someday people may not be able to find enough oil and coal to use. That is another good reason to save energy. What can you do to save energy? Think about that. I just got up before I started reading and turned off my kitchen light to save energy because I wasn't in there. Big cities like Los Angeles have air pollution. Air pollution is not healthy for people. Saving gas is one way to save energy. Taking fewer car trips saves gas. Could you ride your bike or walk to school? That would save gas. Taking the bus saves gas too. A bus can hold many kids. Getting all these kids to school in cars would use a lot more gas. How else can you save energy? You can save energy by using less electricity. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Make sure to turn off computers and TVs when you are not using them. The funny looking light bulb on the right helps people save energy. It uses much less energy than the regular light bulb. I've been trying to put these funny looking ones in my house when a light bulb burns out. Instead of replacing it with this type, I place it with one that uses less energy. Another way to save energy is to use less plastic. Making plastic and other things in factories uses a lot of energy. Use plastic packages more than once if you can. And remember to recycle. It takes less energy to make things from recycled plastic than from new plastic. Recycling plastic, paper, and metal helps save energy. I try and recycle anything I can at home and put it in my recycling bin to put out at the end of the week, along with my garbage bin. I try not to put things in my garbage bin that could be recycled. Can you think of other ways to save energy at school and at home? Talk to an adult and share your ideas. Then make your own energy saving plan. That would be a great idea for you to do now while you're home. You could think of some ideas and talk with a parent or grandparent or someone else in your house. Think of some ways that you can save energy in your house. You can save energy by turning off the TV when you are done watching it. 5 easy ways to save energy. Let's see if these are any you can put in your plan. 1, put on a sweater instead of turning up the heat in the winter. That's something we do at my house. Kelsey always bothers me to turn up the heat, but I just tell her to go put on a sweater. 2, cut down on car trips. Bike, carpool, or take a bus when you can. 3, turn off the lights when you leave a room. 4, recycle and buy recycled products. 5, open a window and use a fan instead of an air conditioner in the summer. Here are all the new words from the book. Did you find all of those as we were reading? What word was new to you? Why don't you pick out 2 words that were new to you in the book and talk to somebody at home about them. Where can energy come from? Coal or oil or natural gas? They didn't show that because it's a gas. It's something we can't see. Moving water. Sunshine. Did you know in some places they use energy from the sun? And wind. Think back to that book I read about wind a few weeks ago. Remember the windmills that were in it? People are using wind more and more now for energy. Here's the author of the book. Peggy Hawk lives near San Francisco, California. She likes to go backpacking with her husband and 2 grown children. She uses compact fluorescent light bulbs in her home. There you'll see also is a website that you can go to. It will give you more information about energy and probably some ideas for how you can save energy.